So welcome to the first tutorial. In this session, we will briefly talk about how to install R and RStudio, which later we will use them for designing and analyzing our discrete choice experiments. So first of all, R is an open source programming language that has been used in many different areas as a statistical software and data analysis tool. It's very powerful because it has so many different packages that supports different functions. And in general, I'll use command line scripting so that you can tell R directly what to do, and you can interact with R in a console window where R will also show the results of your command immediately. So to start with, we will need to first install R on Windows. We can go to this website. Here you will be directed to an official web page of R, and here you'll be showing the latest R version. So right now the latest version is R 4.2.2 for Windows. And to install the R, we need to first download the software by clicking on this. And after you successfully download R for Windows, you can follow the run the program and follow the setup instructions shown in the installation wizard. And the wizard will direct you to install R into your program file folders. And if these all goes smoothly, you will be able to see a shortcut in your start menu. The shortcut will look something like this, and you can run the R. So here you can see an interface of a traditional R software. So besides installing R, we also strongly suggest you to also download and install RStudio, which is a third-party and integrated development environment for R. It's very useful, it's very handy because it provides user a nifty interface that can improve your experience significantly with the R software. So to install RStudio, we will first make sure that our R base has been successfully installed. And then we can go to the RStudio download page by clicking on this link. So here you can see the RStudio desktop, and we can download RStudio desktop here by clicking on this, and the download will start. And similarly, we can just follow the installation steps and to complete the whole installation process. And then we will be able to see a shortcut of RStudio here on our desktop. We can click on this. And so here is an integrated environment for our software. So here is where we can write and store our R command. And in the R console is where we can run our command and where the results will be immediately shown on. So we will talk more about how to install our packages in the second tutorial. Thank you.